How to enable autocorrect in Android. If you wish to join in spell check on Android phone, do watch the video till the end. Now let's get started. Open Notes for a while and on the keyboard you will see settings. Tap on that gear icon. You will reach on the settings page. Scroll down and select text correction option. Scroll a bit down and under this multiple option, you will see corrections. Underneath that, locate autocorrection options and make sure to toggle on the button. And once you have done that, you will easily enable autocorrect in Android. If you toggle it off, then it will be disabled, but toggling on will autocorrect when you type in anything on your Android device. So I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.